In this video, I'll be going over how to make consistent income, even up to $10,000 a month by selling websites, without needing to code or build everything from scratch. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and I'll show you how to find clients, pitch them with a simple offer, use templates to build sites quickly, and turn one-time projects into long-term income. So, let's break it down. Step 1, find the right kind of clients. Most people mess up before they even start. They either try to work with everyone or chase down big companies that already have fancy websites and marketing teams. But the real opportunity, it's small, local businesses. Think about roofers, plumbers, massage therapists, dog groomers, everyday businesses that often don't have a proper website or maybe have one that looks like it was made in 2007. These business owners are busy. They're focused on doing the work, not on learning how to build a website or get more online leads. That's where you come in. To make this even easier, there are tools that can help you scrape data from Google Maps. Now, one of the most popular one is called Outscraper. It pulls business listings, name addresses, phone numbers, and more into a single spreadsheet for you. And here's the trick. Filter for businesses that don't have a website listed. Boom. There's your prospect list. You can even organize it by how many reviews they have, so you know who's already getting attention on Google but doesn't have a proper website to back it up. Step 2, reach out with an offer that stands out. Now, here's the thing. No one likes a cold sales pitch. If you just email a bunch of people saying, hey, I build websites, you want one? You're gonna get ignored. Instead, what works is something simple and curious. Something like, hey, are you still open? I tried to look up your website and couldn't find anything. This is a bit random, but I decided to build one for you. Do you want me to send it over? You're not pushing anything. You're not trying to sell them in the first message. You're just offering value first. It makes people curious. They're more likely to respond. And no, you're not actually building a full website for free. You're using a template, and we'll get into that in a second. You can send this message via email, DM, even voicemail drops or cold calls if you're comfortable. Now, what matters most is that you get it out there consistently. Step 3, build the website. But keep it simple. Now, once someone shows interest, this is your moment. You don't need to build something complicated. In fact, please don't. I recommend using a tool like GoHighLevel, which gives you access to pre-built website templates by niche. You literally just pick a template for their industry, add their business name and logo at the top, maybe tweak a bit of text with the help of ChatGPT, and that's it. You've got a good-looking, professional website ready to show them. You can even keep all your test websites inside a single GoHighLevel sub-account. That way you can build 10, 20, 50 versions fast, all without setting up a new domain for each one. Now, once you've got the site mocked up, book a quick Zoom call to walk them through it. Don't just send a link. Talk them through it. Build a little rapport. Ask about their business. You're not just trying to sell a site. You're trying to show them what's possible. So if you don't already have a GoHighLevel account, just click the link down below in the description where you can go ahead and get started here with a free 14-day trial. It's super easy to get started, and you can go ahead and test out the platform to see if this is a route that you want to go down. So to get signed up, we'll just come here and click on the 14-day free trial and fill out the information here. So after you go ahead and fill out information, just fill out your card information here and you are good to go. Once you have all that information filled out, just click on start your free 14-day trial. All right, and after that is complete, it'll say that your account has been created, and we'll go ahead and click here to get started. Okay, so just like that, we've gone ahead and got our GoHighLevel account set up. So now let me show you just how easy it is to go ahead and get a sample website started. So under the left-hand side here, we'll come over here to Sites, and we're gonna click on Websites up here at the top. And we'll click on New Website. So you can either choose from blank, but for this example, we're gonna go ahead and choose a template and click Continue. So for here, let's say that maybe we're looking for some sort of local service business. Maybe something like a realtor. So go ahead and click on real estate. And so far I kind of like the looks of this, but let's go ahead and preview it. And there we go. As you can see, this template is already pretty dang good. So we'll go ahead and just click on continue. And it went ahead and created it. So let's go ahead and click on this here to open it. And here are all the different pages that we have for it so far. So let's go ahead and we'll just click on this home page and edit that. So let's say you're trying to target a local real estate agent or real estate broker. And what you'd want to do is you'd come in here to this template and you can come up here and just like this, you can come in here and change out this logo. So you'd go grab this local business's logo, put it in here, and this way it's going to make it look super customized and super polished so that you have something good to present them. So if we go ahead and scroll down here to the bottom with this part selected, we'll see the brand logo. And if you turn that on and off, that's where we can go ahead and find that. So what you'd want to do, again, you'd go ahead and find that logo and you'd go ahead and plug it in right here. So again, as you can see, I haven't even done anything yet, and we have a very good looking website so far, and this is all that you need to go ahead and get that initial conversation started. Step 4, turn one sale into monthly income. So now the business owner likes the site. You could charge them a flat fee. And sure, a lot of people do, maybe $500, $1,000, even $4,000 for a fully customized build. But here's the smarter move. Charge monthly. Start them off with a free 30-day trial. That's enough time for them to feel the value. And after that, charge $100 to $200 per month just to keep the site alive. To them, it's a no-brainer. Think about it. They're spending way more than that on a single lead from Yelp or Google Ads. This is peanuts for something that builds credibility, gets them more calls, and helps with Google rankings. And if you want to go deeper, that's where things get really interesting. Step 5, add services that businesses actually need. Now, a website's just the beginning, but once someone's paying you monthly, they're way more open to other things. And you already have access to tools that make this easy. Here are a few add-ons that you can charge $300+ a month for. Google Reviews Boost. You can help them request more 5-star reviews. It helps with local rankings and trust. Missed call text backs. When a customer calls and no one answers, an automatic text is sent. Business owners love this. Lead follow-up systems. Build simple automations that follow up with new leads instantly by text or email. Database reactivation. Take their old client list, send a promo email, and help them get people back in the door. These aren't hard to set up, and they bring in real results. You don't have to be a marketing wizard. Just connect a few dots using GoHighLevel and let it run. You can even use ChatGPT to help write messages and scripts for all of these systems. Step 6, offer high-ticket options if they want it. Eventually, a few clients are going to want more. Maybe they want something custom, or they ask about Google Ads, Facebook ads, or SEO. That's when you upsell the bigger stuff. Custom websites can go for $2,000 to $6,000 easily. And if you want to learn how to run ads or do basic SEO, you can charge $1,500 to $2,000 per month just for the service fee, not including the ad spend. At that point, you're not just a web designer. You're a trusted partner. You're helping their business grow, and you can keep building this up. Add one client, and then another. Eventually, you're at the $5K per month, then $10K, maybe even more. And if you want to get started with TikTok ads and you're not really sure where to get started and you don't want to waste your money, then go ahead and click the link down below in the description, which will bring you to this page right here where you can grow your business with TikTok ads and you can get up to $100 ads credit for new accounts. Just click the link down below in the description to get started. So seriously, this is a big one. When you're talking to a client, don't come in guns blazing, trying to sell everything that you offer. Just ask questions. Listen to what they actually need. If a plumber tells you he misses a ton of calls, don't pitch Google Ads. Pitch the missed call text back. If a salon wants more repeat customers, talk about database reactivation. Let the business owner tell you what to sell them. Then just offer the thing that solves that specific problem. It's really that simple. Wrapping it all up. Selling websites doesn't have to be this big, complicated thing. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need to be a designer. You just need to find small businesses who need a better online presence. Show them value up front with a quick demo site. Get on a call and talk to them like a real human. Start with a simple monthly plan. Add helpful services they actually need. Upsell when it makes sense. That's the system. That's how people are making $10,000 a month or more selling websites, even if they started with no experience. So if you're sitting on the fence wondering if this is worth trying, just test it. Build one site. Reach out to 5 businesses. See what happens. You might be surprised how fast it clicks. Anyways, now if you want to get started with GoHighLevel or TikTok ads, you'll find links for them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on Side Hustle Mastery, we explore a wide range of different side hustle ideas, strategies, and tips to help you make an extra income, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thanks for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.